Hi guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today I have Pioneer home theater. Model number is see VSX-2016AV. So let's check out what's the issue in this. I will switch on the power. It's on. So I have given the signal also from the back side. The issue in this is there is no sound. See, I'm increasing the full volume, maximum volume I'm doing it, but there is no sound coming. So this is the problem in this set. So let's check out what's inside. So we'll open the cover instead of wasting more time. I have already first let me switch off the system first. So guys, now I have opened the cover. So check the voltages as how much we required over here somewhere. So I just disconnected everything. I switch on the power just now and we'll check it out the voltage over here, how much we required somewhere. So near the switch we are getting okay, it's okay, 4.8 volts something, it's okay. And exactly this is the sound section downside, so we need to have some voltage over here. So there is no volt over here, so check it out one more time. There is no volt over here. We must supposed to get some 12 volt exactly over here. It's not getting, so we'll check the connection downside. Okay. Achha. See, when I noticed there is some wire was removed inside from. Can see that one. So yeah, see, if you notice here, see, this is the, I don't know how it's removed out. It's when it comes to for repairing to my shop, so it will discontinued. Maybe somebody has removed it out or somebody finger it out. I don't know exactly. So let's connect this back and check it out again. So you can see this one, this wire. This is the input power supply to this board. So we'll connect it back and we'll check it out the sound. So I am putting back the cable which has been removed. So see, I have connected back the disconnected cable from inside. You can see, yeah, this one only. Okay, I have put back that one connector over here. So we'll switch on now. I switch it on. So we'll check the voltage now, which I should get some at least 11 to 12 volt. See, now I'm getting 12 volt. Before it was not coming. You can see, and the output also I'm getting from here 5.7 volts. See, before it was not coming. So that because of that wire was disconnected, that's why there was no voltage output coming from this board, which goes to the system control IC. So now so I'm connecting back the input so we'll connect the speaker connection also. See, it's working now. Before it was not coming sound. So guys, I hope you like this video. So if you have any comments, please leave it on my comment box. and kindly please like it, share it, and take care guys. Bye, see you.